My dear friends, I am Swami Devarajan, the party president of New Generation Party, which is said to be registered. Uh, Recently, I shifted my residence from Chennai to Trichy. For that, I used one uh, app, Link app, LYNK, Link app, LYNK. And I booked the packing and moving services of a Link. But I received, we settled for 21,500 rupees, including AC removing and shifting from there to Chennai to Trichy. So accordingly, I agreed for 21,500. But the Link people called me on 4th of November, the day when I should move from there. There was a kind of dilemma from their side. Finally, they asked me to credit just 500 rupees into their Link money in that the slot given in that app, Link app, so that that process can be initiated and the vehicle will be sent to our house. Then they told as if everything will be shifted, removed and shifted, packed and shifted from there to Trichy. On delivery at Trichy, you may receive the goods. After receiving the goods, you may make the rest of the payment, 21,000 there. This was the agreement. However, when the AC people came, they removed 3 air conditioners from my residence, and for that they separately charged 1,500 rupees. Though they promised that they agreed to collect the entire money only from Trichy after delivering the goods safely there. But just after removing the AC itself, the AC people demanded 1,500 rupees, 500 rupees per AC. Then I paid it. And again, so far 2,000 rupees has been paid. Again, the one Manivannan who came from Link, P. Manivannan, his number I will give you later. In the description I will give his number. He came and removed he packed all the articles and arranged inside 2 vehicles, 2 tempos. After arranging everything, he told as if a single vehicle, bigger container carrier could not come to our street. Is loading these 2 small tempos, and it will be shifted into a container carrier and brought to Trichy. Then I agreed, whatever way you bring it, no problem, but the money should be at the Trichy exit point. The balance will be paid, I told. But he told, no, first right now you have to give that 19,000 rupees, then only I can shift it from here. I told, no, that 19,000 rupees cannot be given now. Only once you deliver the shipment at my residence in Trichy, only then I can give you the money. It is only as already been accepted. Already you have received 20,000 rupees and all. But he refused. However, he moved the vehicle from there, accepting that the next day, when I contact him and the Link people, according to the Link people's direction, I may do. Then he moved the vehicles from there. Then next morning, by 4th morning, early morning of 4th, I think, early morning of 5th, I started from there and I reached Trichy. And after reaching Trichy, he told by 10 o'clock he may call, but I was expecting his call. He did not call me by 10 o'clock. Up to 12 o'clock he did not call. See, actually all the entire goods packages were moved by him from there, but there was no call from him or from the Link up to 12 o'clock. Around 12 o'clock or so, one call came from Link office, and they asked me to give the money, the balance money in their account or so. Then I told, no, it is not the thing agreed. As you send him directly to Trichy. Once the goods reached me in Trichy, in my residence, only then I can make the payment. It is the original agreement between me and the link. I told, I am recording the call, what you are speaking. Therefore, I cannot leave you as it is, because the things have already been moved away from my home, and I am already waiting in Trichy for the things to come to Trichy from Chennai. In this situation, if you ask me to put money, I cannot put, because the money is with you, the things are with you, and the money is with you. Means either if you don't do that, I cannot legally proceed against you as of now, and it will also be a very tough tussle for me. After telling all these things, he finally agreed to send the shipment to Trichy. Finally, the things came to Trichy around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So after 12 o'clock, they downloaded the articles from the container carrier at my residence in Trichy, where now I am sitting and talking to you. After that, actually originally while talking there, I told that 19,000 will be given there, but now he recalled everything and he asked 19,500 rupees. That also I gave. 19,500 rupees I gave him. Therefore totally I gave him 21,500 rupees. But he gave the bill only for 20,500 rupees. I told, why you are reducing 1,000 rupees? It is not right. But he argued, no, only this much, this is the bill, this you have to accept and all. And he gave his card also to me. So in that way, he did not give the bill, but he received the full payment, 21,500 rupees. Till now, there is not even a single bill given by him that I have transported the goods from Chennai to Trichy, and 21,500 rupees has been taken by Link and himself. Only that is the evidence that they have brought the goods. Though they have been brought, that bill is very essential for me. But they have not given the bill even now. Moreover, that they troubled me for more than 24 hours. They boarded the shipment from Chennai by around 10 o'clock. Even for that, he promised that he will come by 3 o'clock evening. But I had to wait for them up to 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock only they came. They made around 2 hours work on shipping the goods, the packages. So that night sleep also went. The next day also, he promised to bring the articles around 5 or 6, because he told by 10 o'clock he will call me. After that, after confirming from the Link people, he will bring everything immediately. So 10 o'clock means 10 plus 5 hours or 7 hours you add. Therefore by 5 p.m. it should have reached me on 5th. But they came here by around 11 o'clock. And they finished the job by around 12 o'clock. That night sleep also went. So this is how the Link app is working. Link people are working, LYNK. So from the story you could get 3 or 4 hints. 1. Link works as a organizer. It is not having its own people. For that they demand only 500 rupees. Once we pay the 500 rupees, they take the 500 rupees and allow the subcontractor to do the work. Only the subcontractor, Manivannan or somebody like that, they have some shipment vehicles and they ship it to the new places, and there they demand the money. Once they shipped everything in the front place itself, they demand the money. At the delivery point also, they give wrong bill. When I wanted it to be corrected, even today it is 7th. Tomorrow it would be 9th. Around now midnight I am speaking, around 2 o'clock. So up to 9th also they have not given the bill. I made several calls to Manivannan. He did not respond positively to send the bill. I sent my new address. I asked him to send the bill corrected from 20,500 to 21,500, including that 1,000 rupees, and send the corrected bill to me. Even now he has not responded as if he will send it. The bill has not reached me. So this is how the Link app is functioning. So Link is not an application meant for an organization. It is not an organization at all. It is something like a customer care service. They are having some telephone directory like or telephone exchange like service only. Only the subcontractors are working. The subcontractors take their own stride and style. Once the things are loaded in their container carriers or in their shipment vehicles, they demand the money immediately. As if in the Yahoo.com and all, in the one of the Vivek's movie, the person takes the Vivek's vehicle also in the lorry, and already in the lorry itself is a kidnapped lorry. In that they take Vivek, police officer's vehicle also, and they will run away. Once Vivek asked what happened to my vehicle, why you are I came to know that it's a kidnapped vehicle, your lorry. For that he will tell you make a complaint to police, kidnap.com, yahoo.com and all. That way it was a funny thing. In that way these Link people are working. After vacating the house, after emptying the house, loading everything into their vehicle, they are demanding money on the spot. So our vehicle around our luggage valuing around 8 lakhs or 10 lakhs is already with them. Further they demand the shipment charges also. Even with the shipment charges and our luggage, if they run away, we cannot do anything. This is the way they are acting, the subcontractors. Such poor quality subcontractors are linked with the Link, LYNK. So please don't use the services of Link. Also don't use the services of Money1. He is having one packers and movers services also. Yeah. I will give his number also later. It is called Jiva Packers and Movers. Don't engage Jiva Packers and Movers. They are so irresponsible. They are making unnecessary mind tiredness to us by this shipment. Beyond the actual tiredness, mind tiredness, what we have while shifting our articles from Chennai to Trichy, like such a long distance, 350 kilometers like that, they are giving extra tiredness by means of straining ourselves with so many anxieties. So don't engage Link, LYNK, for your shipments, for your transports. And also don't use particularly Jiva Packers and Movers, that is run by 1P Money1. Don't use their services. If you use, you will be unnecessarily troubled, and they won't even give you the bill. They may give wrong bill. If you ask to correct and give the bill, they may not give the bill at all. So don't use the services LYNK, Link, and also don't use the services of Jiva Packers and Movers of P Money1. Shiv Om.